Do you have two appliances taking up valuable space in your kitchen or washroom? Well, let me show you how a stacking kit allows you to put one appliance on top of the other, claiming back some of that precious space. Hey, Bryn here. So what appliances can you stack? Well, most standard appliances are happy to be stacked one on top of the other. However, there are a few stipulations. They must be standard 60 by 60 centimeter appliances, and the one going on top must weigh less than 10 kilos. You'll also need to be somewhat practical. Whatever does go on top will still need to be plumbed and or vented properly. Any pipes, hosing or vents will all need to reach. Now in practice, what most people want to do is stack their dryer on top of their washer. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. Do note it must be a dryer on top of a washer and not the other way around. Dryers are significantly lighter than washers, and you want the lighter item on top. Now to hold the appliances together safely, I'm using a stacking kit from Wpro. The kit includes a padded stand that goes between the two appliances and a belt that goes over the top and around both of them. The stand also has a handy shelf, perfect for a laundry basket and a drying rack too. Now, other stacking kits are available and you can see the Wpro and alternatives at hotpointservice.co.uk. Safety first, appliances are incredibly heavy, so lifting them on your own is asking for trouble. As I always say, moving appliances is a two-person job, so please don't try and do this on your own. So I've recruited the able hands of Ryan here to help me. Hello. And I'm going to start by placing the rubber feet on the bottom of the stand itself. And they come in two parts. First up, these, the plastic feet, which clip into the corners, and they all have a sticky rubber pad too, which goes on top. Now once all feet have been done, I can place it back on top of the washer. Now the next thing to do is pass this belt through the slot in the side of the stand, thread it under the washing machine through the other side and up through the other slot. So to help me pass the belt under the washing machine, I've got Ryan to tilt it backwards. There you go. And now we're ready to lift the dryer into place. Now the tumble dryer is in place, you pass the strap over the top, and here's the really important part. Make sure you thread the belt through the cover before placing it into the tensioner. Once you've done that, start ratcheting. So there you go, a great way to get some space back. To order a Wpro stacking kit or to chat with one of our service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.